Man, welcome back to another episode of Fishing Florida. I got my boy Vince.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you already know what we here for, man. My boy said, hey, it's time. So with no further ado,
We on it.
let us do what we do, man. I told Vince, man, it shouldn't take us no more than an hour, 30 minutes actually, to load up. And then we're gonna try to go for some snapper. This was a big one, man. Goodness, this was a big one. That oyster I hit that broke. I hope it stay on long enough to get the hit down now. We in about 20-ish. Yeah, we in about 20 something. About 20, 22 feet. High tide, this is clearly 25, 30. Now the thing about sheephead, y'all, they here. You just gotta make them come. Sometimes they might not be at the piling you're at, but you gotta razzle dazzle. Sometimes you gotta ring that breakfast bell. But once they come, well, I tell you, I'm talking about they bring the whole colony.
They bring them.
Vince, come on. Come on, tell me you got room to bring them in. What you got? A whiting. That's good eating. That's good eating. But I ain't had whiting in a minute. I figured there wasn't no sheephead the way you was getting them in from that depth. Y'all, and we in about 35 to 40 feet of water. I ain't realize it was this deep.
That's right. That's it.
Oh, yeah, you gotta take the thing off. You see the clips?
How'd it go?
From the bottom. All the way to the bottom. See it? Yeah.
White.
Yeah, boy.
I'm gonna bleed it.
Yeah. Put them in a bleed them and throw them inside of here. Let them bleed out. You eat whiting?
Yeah.
Well, if they down there, bro, we can load them up real quick. You know them with them with the sardines. What you have right there? That was quick. You wasn't even down 30 seconds. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. What you hit him on? Oyster man. Oyster man. Yes, sir. That's man.
I was 14, 15.
He looked 17. But he look, it's a measuring thing right there. Yeah, you don't. Yeah, you could come over that. You gotta measure him. It's crazy, man. Them damn oyster, I be telling people, man.
Hey, let the damn thing go.
That's a nice size on that boy. Oh yeah, he's 17 all day.
He wouldn't get no.
Goodness. That's 17 all day, bro. You up here talking about 14, 15. He might be pushing 18, bro. That's a big, let me stop talking. What it was, they back there.
Huh?
I threw it back there.
Back up in there?
Yeah. You go tell your partners, I want all the smoke.
How big he is?
All right, y'all. So here's the situation. I thought I had a sheephead. I don't think this is a sheephead. I think this is a grouper. He got me in a rock. Look, see, he digging down in a rock. Every time I pull him, he pulled me back in a rock. So I think it's try to. Yeah, he gotta be a grouper, bro. Oh. I told you. Come on up out of there. Come on up out of there. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought that was a spade fish, but yeah. Huh? Yes, sir. Y'all, this fish right here is called a boodle. It's a pit bull and a poodle. We call him a boodle. God damn, that spine's hurt. Ooh. Huh? What you say? Boy, you ever been stuck by one of these? Boy. If y'all see a lot of water in the boat, we took on a wave. Yeah, we good. Sometimes you crack some of these oysters open, just throw it down there, cause you want them to stay around. Let's see. This ain't gonna stay on. I don't think this piece gonna stay on. Yeah, I think it came off already. Got him. Yep. He about 12. Put him in the cooler for you? Hey, listen, them boodles. Hey, listen, them boodles down there. Oh my gosh! Oh, jeez! Yes, sir.
You got him around the corner right there.
You know what, Vince? You going over there? Huh? You going over? Get in there. Goodness gracious! Jeez.
That's a big thing. Got him. Yeah. Man, just keep catching them.
Oh no, man.
Man, just keep catching.
You already know my motto. Everybody catch them.
Yeah, just keep catching. Just keep catching.
Yes, sir. He 18, 19 all day.
That's a big thing. Just keep catching, bro. Shit. Ain't
Bro,
no
he
sense in
hit me
moving,
so
trying to-
subtle, bro.
Ain't no sense in trying to move or get right on back down there.
Goodness gracious. Boy, he hit so subtle. He hit like he was a itty bitty one too. That's how them big ones do.
Well, that'll be slamming.
Jeez.
There's some got themselves around that corner right there. There's some got themselves around that corner. They down there.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
They're down there. Keep putting it on there.
Y'all, I ain't get it on camera. But look at this tree. Goodness gracious. On an itty bitty piece too. Oh, he was barely hooked. One more good shake. One more good shake, he was done.
It might be the rig, I'm telling you.
Y'all, look at that. Yes, sir. Goodness gracious. Woo, 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 woo.
Yeah.
Let's see. I like this. You got some power handle on this. I mean a power back. I like that.
Grips. Shake it out. There you go. Now let's go down there.
We'll have a couple waves coming.
Yep.
Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Boy.
I see you do that.
I don't know what the hell you doing, Vince, bro.
What you thought? I ain't got
Yeah, I like this pole, boy. What this is? A Power Plus?
Yeah. I got some Bass Pro Shop.
Yeah, he got
This is
some.
one of my brother. I ordered my brother some. Yeah, he wanted some. He came down here.
Jeez. Hey, you know why I ain't really catch that one? Cause the way you got it set up. I'm so used to the drop shot.
Yeah,
I can feel
yeah,
everything
Yeah.
around the pilot. Hey, he almost took me around there. You seen that?
He had you.
Oh, he did.
He raised you up.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you coming. Coming to Church's Chicken. Welcome to Church's
Right
Chicken.
there beside the shit.
That's crazy. That big old piece you got on, man.
You had a little piece. No, we got the same setup and everything.
Well, you got to remember though, Vince.
Huh?
I'm fishing Florida. That was too funny. Vince said we got about 3. Say open that cooler. Open that cooler real quick.
You cut it?
Yeah. Let's see.
This where we was at? No, this ain't where we was
Nah.
at. No.
I'm gonna take us there after this. See what you do. I was finna say, I know I just seen something.
Here.
All right, well, let me see. You missed them. Let me see something. Let me see something.
Biting so long, I was shocked.
Yeah, let me see something.
Yeah, he hit it.
Well, I feel like something hitting him on the way down.
He damn sure hit it.
Yep, he just hit me. He just hit it and let it go. Oh, got your way.
Got your way.
Come here. Oh. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. Nice.
This why I broke my net. I told me.
Hey, I was like, where my net at? And we got all the muscles in there. Okay. Yes.
That man stole mine. He got it. That's okay.
I ain't taking up, but you know how I take 2 fish home, man. You taking the rest, bruh. Make a nice little salmon. Princess gonna love this. She soon Princess see that cooler open and she see them fish. I know that's right. Yeah, she already know. She don't even care how with fish. She like fish 2 ways that I cook it. Either if I fry it or I blacken. I love to blacken them though. Oh man, love to blacken them.
I'm gonna tell you something. You make that make wet batter and fry them up.
That's too much crunch for me.
Boy, look at my wife. Love that shit right there.
Yeah, that's too much crunch for me, boy.
I love that shit.
I need to see a Camille like I don't know. It's a lot of people who like crunchy fish, bro. I don't know. Camille says she like it. I cook it. I cooked it before though. You know, I don't cook it. Come on, bro. Get the damn fish and find it out, bro. Come on, man. Get the fish up out of there, bro.
Look at all that fish. Look at that. Dang.
They ready.
I remember me and my brother went from Seattle. We did this and we went fishing. And he was fishing right beside me. I wore his ass side. He was on one fish all day. I ain't lying. Actually, you take it. That nigga like, man, goddamn, what you doing? I ain't doing it. Same set of everything. I said, bro, I do it. Hey, listen, I ain't joking. Oh, he bit that. There's one down there. There's one down there. Yeah, he down there. Hey, I threw him up, boy. And he like, man,
That do be crazy though, man. It like the fish be picking at you.
I'm talking about fishing right beside him.
Yeah.
And that sucker wouldn't catch his name.
Remember one day I took Rick, and that kind of how it happened. No lie, the whole entire day, bruh. And 10 minutes before we leave, I caught, I think like he was probably 19, then I caught a 17. So I was able to say I caught 2 fish, but Rick caught all the fish that whole entire day, bruh. I was like, damn.
I've seen it happen before. I know it happened.
Huh? Nah, he too small. Boy, y'all look at that. Ooh, look at that. Yes, sir. What'd you say, Vince? Your bait good too? My money's spent too on. My boy say, hey, man.
It's something about this jungle here, boy. The big stuff comes from money down. I'm telling you.
You on the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
And nothing. Well, I don't know what to tell you.
Ain't touched it. You go there and give me out a slab.
Hey, I think the fish really want to be on my channel, man. So they just they want to be on the channel, bro. Oh my God, are you serious?
Ain't everything though.
I don't know. I think that was the only one sitting there. I'm serious. I really do.
It might be.
I think he was the only one sitting there.
I drop right down there and ain't getting that. That's where they been in that little corner right there. In that little corner. I see if they're stealing my bait. You know what I'm saying?
But these upstanding citizens, they wouldn't steal.
Yeah, they ain't biting either. Not mine. Look at that. See them? I just flew with them. See that? I just flew over there. And didn't nothing even bite mine.
So you saying this how your brother felt?
I don't know what it is. Yeah, what I want to Look at that, what I just told you. Same setup, everything.
Get dropped straight there in the corner.
Every day now, throwing lures in like bait out. Shallow, flats, or deep, it don't matter, the fish don't play round. Keep your line tight, set the hook and make them say out. Fishing for that monster drag, pulling, what a great sound. Fishing Florida. Every day we get a chance, you gotta know we fishing Florida. Salty fresh, it don't matter long as you a fish